Next, we're going to take a look at product to sum formulas. So what that means is we're starting out as a product or multiplication, and we're going to change it into a sum or an addition question. So we've got cosine of 5 pi over 12 times sine of pi over 12. So we're going to take a look at all of our product to sum formulas, and we have cosine times sine. So we're going to use this last formula in our list. So we're going to start off with 1/2 of sine, and then we'll add those angles together. So here's where our sum comes in, 5 pi over 12 plus pi over 12 minus, and then we have sine of subtracting the angles. So 5 pi over 12 minus pi over 12. All right, so we're going to start by adding and subtracting those angles. So we have 1/2 times the sine of 6 pi over 12, which simplifies to pi over 2, minus the sine of 4 pi over 12, which simplifies to pi over 3. We'll evaluate each of these because, of course, these are unit circle values now. So sine of pi over 2, that is up at the top. Sine is our y-coordinate, so sine is 1, minus sine of pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. Of course, we'll need a common denominator to subtract them. So our common denominator is 2, so we have 2 over 2 minus root 3 over 2. Subtracting inside our brackets, we have 2 minus root 3 over 2. And then when we multiply by 1/2, we get 2 minus root 3 all over 4. One more, this time we've got some variables in there, and we have sine times sine, so we're going to be using our first formula this time. So we again have the 1/2. This time we're changing it to cosine of the 3x plus 6. Now be careful when you subtract that you distribute that subtraction to both pieces. So I'm subtracting the 4x and adding the 7 minus cosine of, and this time I'm going to add those two angles, the 3x plus 6 plus that 4x minus 7. Starting by combining those like terms inside each of my cosines. First one, I have negative x plus 13. And our second one, we have 7x minus 1. The last thing we can do, because obviously we can't evaluate exactly, we don't know what x is distribute that 1/2.